Hello everyone, my name is Ruchi Setia and I'm undergoing my yoga teacher training course from Atul sir.
Hi, I am Nameena. I am doing TTC in yoga.
Hi, I'm Bunyubi from Thailand.
Hi everyone, this is Barkha. I am a yoga instructor.
Hi, I am Lakshya. I am pursuing a TTC course in yoga.
हेलो मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस अतुल सर के साथ हमारा टीचर ट्रेनिंग कोर्स में किस तरीके से रहा वो शेयर करना चाहती हूँ.
Nowadays he is taking our classes online only because of this lockdown period. Initially I'll tell you I was little bit doubtful on this because it's a practical session. But let me tell you guys, the way he teaches us is simply out of this world.
We used to have our classes offline, but because of the situation we've shifted to the online mode. And I just like to say that we were not confident initially about it. But with Atul sir, I feel that it hasn't been that much of a glitch because his instructions are extremely clear. Like from head to foot, he doesn't have to demonstrate what to do, but we will just get it with his instructions from our inhalation, exhalation, to which muscles to stress, which muscles to relax, everything is clear.
जैसे ये लॉकडाउन का सीजन शुरू हुआ तो बहुत डर लगा कि कैसे होगी क्लासेस आगे, ऑनलाइन हो पाएगी या नहीं हो पाएगी. हम लोग सर जितना ध्यान हमें ऑफलाइन में देते थे उतना अभी ऑनलाइन दे पाएंगे या नहीं दे पाएंगे. एक एक अलाइनमेंट चेक करना, पोजीशन चेक करना, पोस्चर चेक करना, डिटेलिंग देना, वो उन चीजों को लेके बहुत ज्यादा कंसर्न था कि ये सब चीजें अब क्लियर होगी या नहीं होगी.
And now we are doing it online as it's lockdown time. But online also we are getting individual attention. Each and every student is being is taken care of, that whether she is following this correct technique, and we are getting individual attention, one-to-one attention, I would say, and we are really enjoying the journey.
So I just want to share that online is too good, and it's and in my I share my experience, online is far good because it all depends upon the teacher, that how it teaches you. And Atul sir is the best teacher for the online classes and for the offline obviously, but for the online is the best teacher.
जैसी फर्स्ट क्लास ली ऑनलाइन तो बिलीव मी ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि हम लोग ऑनलाइन क्लास ले रहे हैं. सर इज लाइक एक एक चीज को इतना माइन्यूटली सर इतना चेक करते हैं हर चीज को कि आपका लाइक ऑनलाइन भी सर इतना देख लेते हैं कि आपका पैर 60 के एंगल पे है या नहीं है. सर इतनी ज्यादा मतलब आप लोगों को कंसर्न रहते हैं सर आपके पोस्चर को लेके, आपके अलाइनमेंट को लेके. तो ऑनलाइन एक्सपीरियंस सर के साथ बहुत अच्छा है. सर वैसे भी सर बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, सर को पता है कि कौन सी चीज कैसे करानी है, टेक्निक सर को पता है कराने की.
You know, his teaching methods, his teaching skills are amazing. He's showing us the same enthusiasm, zeal and the same efforts as if he's teaching us on any center. We never feel apart. And because of his very friendly nature, very cool nature, we are inspired also, and we are learning very fast also. In fact, few asanas which I was not able to do it before, like Bakasana, headstand, I was not able to do it before, but now with his techniques I'm able to do it. I'm able to achieve them online also now with his guidance. So he not only teaches us the principles and the techniques of doing asanas, but also the postural alignment and the anatomical understanding of it.
About Atul sir, he's a person with great knowledge about asanas, pranayam, the techniques being used. I was a person who even doubted whether I could do a headstand, but I am able to do it by knowing the right technique.
Actually, I am a regular yoga practitioner, and I was practicing Mayurasana from last 6 to 8 months, but I am not getting a correct asana. I am not have a hold in that. So in the last class only, Atul sir have taught me the Mayurasana, and he just taught me to concentrate on few of the things and I just catch up that things, and in a minute I have completed that asana. I have completed the Mayurasana. So now I can hold that asana for a minute. So it's a very big achievement for me. So this all the little experience what I'm sharing.
And the other thing which I feel makes it easier is his observation. Even in an online lecture, he can point out the mistakes of every single person. We have 6 to 7 people doing it, but he can just point out the mistakes of everybody. So that's amazing. Also, his judgment, his diagnosis of the body type, and explaining those to us as well, because we might be future teachers. So he'll just tell us that, the strength of the body, the flexibility of the body, the shortcomings of the body, and then how to deal with them, which methods to take up to finally achieve whichever poses we wish to achieve or our future clients wish to achieve.
So all in all, it has been a great experience for me, because it has improved my physical yoga skills and my understanding, my knowledge related to anatomy and alignment. So I would recommend him to everyone, everybody who wants to become a good yoga teacher must take a training from him.
So I just say to everyone, just have a blindly faith in Atul sir, and he is a very good teacher. You will really get benefit from these online classes. So just blindly enroll in these online classes. So thank you very much.
So it's amazing. See, I understand that this isn't probably our first option. We would any day prefer offline classes, but sitting at home when we've got a lot of free time at our hands, and staying fit, staying healthy, enhancing our skills, this is a great opportunity to do all of that, to use our time productively, learn something, and finally earn a certificate out of it. So I guess it's amazing. Thank you.
You should try training online. I would say that I get the same benefit and same knowledge like when I go to the physical school or physical studio. So I'm glad that I joined this batch, and I want to make sure that I have a solid foundation before I take another level of the training. And thank you, sir, for having me as your student.